Yeah.
Back, man. The legend is back.
Oh, good. On my left, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Trav, man, Uncut shit, NWO shit, Team Riot, man. Let's rap.
Let's go, man.
Yeah.
Trav for coming all the way out to 916.
Yeah.
I think we can do better than that.
Make some goddamn noise, man. All right. Introduce yourself. Cizzle D Pistol, PNR 209 shit, home team shit, Sin Count Titans. Free my nigga TJ, free Mo, free Stat. Rest in peace to Daniel Gonzalez. And can I get a moment of silence for my mother? Let's go, nigga.
Yeah.
Does everybody want to go first?
Crispy's hairline in the game, too.
She's spinning right now.
Shut that boy's hairline, nigga. Oh, God.
Why? My nigga looking like James.
My nigga looking like James Rose out here. Fuck.
I think Urban got that.
Hey, man, that nigga Irving got that fresh line.
Round one is on Trav. Y'all ready to see this shit? All right, round one. Whenever you're ready, Trav, talk that shit.
Let's go, Trav. Hey, this whole battle is just me practicing. You know, something simple. Your bitch got both hands on the balls, trying to double dribble. My first time here went well. What else is on the menu? I asked for a hot plate this time, and they gave me fucking sizzle. This is bullshit.
Here we go. Here we go. Let's go.
I beat you, nigga, but go.
Well, I say to this clown, you don't even look like someone I should murder, but I got a Glock. So you want a shot? Well, no need to look further. Usually, PNR and Uncut, that's a good merger. But you rap like you trying to take my order at Good Burger. Yeah, with no dreads and shit. Yeah, you work, but don't have the same effect. CBD, y'all turn the colony to Chopper City. Free BG, Trav laid back, but still spray max. Still let the machine scream. Rest in peace, Mr. Okerlund. You don't even have a mean gene. So fuck the fabrication. It's not a joke. No exaggeration. Gun so big, the holster broke. Take the battery out the detector. I want all the smoke.
Cook.
Keep going. Keep going.
Take the battery out the detector. I want all the smoke. You getting all the jokes just because you're alias alone. Man, that shit's strange. Cizzle D. That sound like gonorrhea's nickname. But no pressure here. No pressure here. I wrote these raps on my weed breaks. Rounds done before I opened up my raps and my weed breaks. Mask on under the mask. That's that sting face. Butt of the gun to your grill. That's a sling face. Man, I'm a tool popper. Yeah, that's my word. I let the straps get the reactions I deserved. My aim too proper. The 22s for the oohs and ahs. I got an AR and a new chopper. The AK got haymakers. But the 12 gauge a room rocker. So who want it? Sizzle? Damn, these losses hurt. The good die young. You was always respected for all this work. Always cool and humble. Damn, crazy how shit works. 6 feet deep make them even more down to earth. Trash. Oh my
Let's go. Let him cook.
Go, nigga. Make some noise to that round, y'all.
Yeah.
Round one. It's all Cizzle D. Talk that shit.
Let's go. This nigga alive. Let's go.
Y'all got me versus Wait, before I start rapping, you make sure ain't a shank on him?
Bro, you tripping. Trav, cool.
He might be fake. You know Guam got a snake problem. Smooth criminal. Smooth criminal. I take off. Crack his jaw like a bank vault. That aggression.
Let's go.
Smooth criminal. I take off. Crack his jaw like a bank vault. That aggression got a bad reception. Now he can't talk. They'll say it's bump. I don't think he want problems. My team stay with Yankees. But we ain't the Bronx Bombers. I can take a large chopper and break them off proper, or raise a 38 and terminate him. John Connor. I like a cock shotgun. I gotta get up closer. Switch the butt like a bad bitch. I got stock options like a better broker in the sales game.
Y'all sleep. Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up.
Stock like a bad broker.
Cock shotgun. I gotta get up closer. Switch the butt like a bad bitch. I got stock options like a better broker, and the shells came with it. Bucks and Bears like an NFL game, nigga. You got hell to pay. And I'll make you pay hell late visit. I'll grab it and pop you. Then clap at your partner. And two will be in the dirt like Travis Pastrana. Start hanging.
Let's go. Come on, y'all. Keep going.
Two will be in the
Let him
dirt.
sleep, nigga.
Two will be in the dirt like Travis Pastrana. Start havoc and drama. I dare you, Trav. After the trauma, they'll be asking your mama what you was wearing last week. Beware effects.
Cooking. That's fire.
Stop it.
Cooking.
I said, let him go.
Let him cook.
Beware effects. I talk hood shit and been through it. I ain't a scary cat. I talk good shit and then do it. Always lips moving. A fist tooth and now his chin loose and niggas get to bumping their grill. I put a dent to it. Listen, stupid. I ain't your pal, I'm just nice. Listen, stupid. I ain't your pal, I'm just nice. So I'm out here getting zips at a pound by his price. I hard check. Let's see if this clown got a mic. He could. Here go two. Have I count by the night? He don't pay me and I catch him downtown buying nights. I hit Travis with the Drake. He'll be out like a light.
Cooking. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I said he don't pay me and I
Let him cook.
said he don't pay me and I said he don't look. I said he don't pay me and I catch him downtown buying nights. I hit Travis with the Drake. He'll be out like a light. But there's too many people here. So the next move is fight. The hands have his hand. He getting slept through the flight. He better get him a weapon. Oh my! He better get him a weapon. He better get him a weapon.
Go. Let's go. Cook. Let's get it.
Hold it down. Hold it down. I said, hold it down. I said he better get him a weapon. Or his straight shots, lefts and rights, like I'm giving directions. He's supposed to jump on my team like witness protection. I am not playing at all. I hope you getting the message. Now proceed with spitting your best shit. Time, nigga.
Hey, we ain't friends.
Let's go. Talk that shit. That's not my nigga right there. Like my preparation for this shit. I just picked up the pencil, threw on instrumentals, and ran straight to great. Like, what the fuck is potential? Bullets and temples. He gonna be 29 with dementia. The round I put in him, bullets and temples. He gonna be 29 with dementia. The round I put in him might be the only round he remember. I'm futuristic with the shit. Heaters be looking sci-fi. I'm futuristic with this shit. Heaters be looking sci-fi. He slide to the left, then right. I got him doing the cha-cha. Bye-bye. What up, wifey? Tell her bye-bye. She rocking Gucci or Prada? La Bamba. She gon' die fly. Why cry? Let's go. Why cry? If I lose, why cry? If I lose today, I'll put a bounty on Jamar. And I know exactly how to break them laws. You not Martin King. You more like Martin Payne for the cause. So when you die, ain't no sorry for your loss. We celebrating in that courtroom like Tommy got the draws. And Tommy got the draws, and I brought a Tommy. You wouldn't want to try me no matter what you smoking. Now you trying to figure shit out like the plunger broken. I brought a Tommy. You wouldn't want to try me no matter what you smoking. Now you trying to figure shit out like the plunger broken. I ain't worried if my heat jam. I know my brother holding. Bitch, if your heat ain't working, you leave the oven open.
Let him cook.
Let him rap, let him cook, let him cook.
Let him go.
Stop. And I'm just here to say the kind of shit they can't stand. Put an end to their plans. The fire rounds got them flipping like NBA jams. I ain't with the frontin'. Just bust it and toss something. Cause when the beef's on, I just aim for that off button, start jumping. People running, and I got the party jumping. I'm going dumb with the 40. Now they just out here trying to function, trash.
Give it up for that round, yo.
Give it up. Wow.
How you know? How you know?
Trav, nigga.
Nigga said Trav shit. That's the end. I said, if I lift up, it's real. Trigger blow. It's liver grow. This nigga gonna be stiff from the pill. The kid'll get killed. And his crew won't do shit. We roll through thick. Let a few chrome tools spit. Poles and sticks. So many rounds, we don't know who hit, and you don't know who hit you. New phone, who this? It's on team shit. Y'all sneaky. His home team shit. Said his home team shit. My clique geek. Down to make your lid leak. 3 shots. Bye, bye, bye. They'll be in sync. Okay. But we ain't used to up the Glocks. My dudes would thump on spot. When I was younger, me and my brother moved around a lot. Fighting Backstreet Boys since we the new kids on the block. You want to swear? You know that.
That was fire.
You know that one.
Nigga.
Said when I was younger, me and my brother moved around a lot. Fighting Backstreet Boys because we the new kids on the block. You want to scrap with me? I'll hit him first. Print his shirt. Shit'll be graphic. T, your ass can be.
Oh!
Your ass can be. So don't jump out of line. I don't see a homie in Travis. Just homicide. Miss a punch and get your mug modified. Grammar Nazi. I capitalize, cross T and dot his I. Try to slide and the thing gon' blast. He was putting on the show. Now he a late broadcast because your dog's not alive. M240. See the bullets all out the side. And the clips just for Travis. Look, Mom, I can fly. Whoa!
Fire.
Come on, homie, bro. Y'all making me mad, bro. Let's go. I wasn't bored. I said M240. Bullets, see the bullets all out the side. And the clips just for Travis. Look, Mom, I can fly. And your cuz gotta die. I put NATO down. The same 240 prep for him, bitch. He got NATO rounds. Play around. Play around. I found out where you fucking sleep. 23 with a center bun. Ain't nothing sweet.
That was fire.
I said, play around.
Let's go.
Play around. I found out where you fucking sleep. 23 with a Cinnabon. Ain't nothing sweet. Good classmate, I brought enough for everyone to eat.
Go. It's cut.
I need a rematch.
Run it back. Need him to smash. Let it go.
Let it cut.
Play around. I be done found out where you fucking sleep. 23 with a Cinnabon. Ain't nothing sweet. Good classmate. I brought enough for everyone to eat. Act retarded. Clowning in the crib like the cast of Martin. Trap video. I'm shooting everyone in that apartment. Max
Wow. Keep cooking.
Crazy, my nigga. You're not my fucking friend right now, bro.
Act retarded. Clowning in the crib like the cast of Martin. Trap video. I'm shooting everyone in that apartment. Maddie Sparkle. Bitch, grab the phone. I had to harm her. Dog tried to bite me. Shit, I gave the drum to Travis Barker.
Oh, shit! You're done.
That's
Let
fire.
me know who that is, my nigga.
Keep going.
I said, Maddie Sparkle. Bitch, grab the phone. I had to harm her. Dog tried to bite me. Shit, I gave the drum to Travis Barker. Add a partner. Add a partner. PNR, y'all dead wrong. Q got me up here battling. Foghorn Leghorn. Your girl need me to come and make your bed warm, so in the end, I be creeping with her like John Redcorn. Yo.
Wow. What? What? Hey, use a dick.
I say your girl need me to come and make your bed warm, so in the end, I be creeping with her like John Redcorn. Yo, why you talk like that?
Hold it down, please.
It's sexy.
Yo, why you talk like
Right,
that?
it's sexy.
I mean, I'm fucking my foot. Why you talk like that? I mean, you aren't really a bird. Why you squawk like that? I'll take a knife and cut his jawline back. Had him staring like a city boy. He never seen a hawk like that. Oh! That was two. Now go on, guy. Rap. Squawk your shit. Squawk.
Make some noise for that round, yo.
Yeah.
Final round. Get to the classic to win.
Yeah.
Final round. Trav Uncut. Talk that shit.
Fuck. Here we go.
Smooth.
You cool, but you know Travis. I'm good at every part I play. Bo Jackson. And our strap, my straps ain't from here. You catch me slipping, it won't happen. I got silencers and beams. Come ask me about those accents, man. And that was
That's how you fucking respond.
Here we go.
That was crazy.
Talk that shit.
Perfect time. Perfect time.
Go. Let him cook. Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go.
That was some cold shit. But you supposed to be Cizzle. So I don't believe nothing that you said since the intro. Y'all end up missing some limbs. Just being dead ain't gonna cut it. I'll Bubba Gump them. I mean, cook something and shrimp short enough to fit in the bucket, so fuck it. I gotta make it a kill shot since this my last round. But I'm never tripping. I'll put you in predicament you wouldn't last round. My nuts all in your bitch face. Shout out to Sacktown.
Nigga, go! Fight back!
Yo, cooking.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go.
We got a battle
Cook.
Gotta make it a kill shot since this my last round. But I'm never tripping. I'll put you in predicament you wouldn't last round. My nuts all in your bitch face. Shout out to Sack Town. Reverse game. First I bust, then put my Mac down. Man, this what happens when you stand in front of a real spitter. I'll either injure or leave you injured. You dealing with wig splitters. Ask would they die for you. I don't care if they kill with you. The chopper fat, but it kick like Beverly Hills Ninja. I just came out here to
Let him cook. Let him cook.
I just came out here to fuck up your evening. Shit, you might as well start grieving now. Modesto gonna hate me more than Scott Peterson, but I'll take
It's fire.
That was the one. That was the one. Right.
Modesto gonna hate me more than Scott Peterson.
Let's go. Come on.
Let him cook. Hold it down.
I just came out here to fuck up y'all evening. You might as well start grieving now. Modesto gonna hate me more than Scott Peterson. But I'll take your bitch and have you texting her until you broke your phone. Cizzle D. Damn, you still won't leave them hoes alone. She knows she wrong. Man, shit, everyone getting domed. That bitch will face the world. Like my favorite Nipsey song, and it's still Rip Nip, cause damn, that's fucked up. But this that PNR legend shit. That's what's up. Cizzle D beating me. Don't get that fucked up. You came with your sharpest shit and still Trav Uncut. Trav shit.
Make some noise for Trav, man.
Make some noise.
That was the one. That shit crazy.
Fight back. Here we go, brother.
Talk that shit.
Oh, shit.
You should chill.
Oh, why?
I shoot to kill. In the end, you'll see Uncut fucked up. Most movies got a blooper reel, or I'll carve this thing. I'll wait for the rest. That was a crazy one.
That was fire. Here we go. Here we go.
What the fuck?
Quick. In the end, you'll see Uncut fucked up. Most movies got a blooper reel, or I'll carve this bitch. Stab him in the heart. The blade break and leave a part in it. Guess I should have came with my sharpest shit. You armed me with. And I'm a tough opponent, two-faced. Harvey Dent, guard your chick. I'm gonna force her to call it quits. I catch her finna bathe, and right when she starts to sit, I get that bitch a cap in the tub like margarine. Yo, my nigga. Who is this nigga?
With Martin.
Go.
Let him cook.
Hold it down. Bring it.
I catch her in the bed right when she starts to sit. I get that bitch a cap in the tub like margarine. Yo, my nigga savage. First is your location, then I'm nickel passing. I tell him, make it rain and bring it back. Those were hits for Travis. My shooters never go to the gym. Just trigger practice. You in the rat and you endanger yourself. It's interactive. You'll get whacked when you hang with it. And it ain't even gang shit. Bro, I'm saying that you guilty by association. It baffled me. Nico didn't really have a lead, but we had release on the riot when he battled me. It takes no time to edit business slash a piece. I was juiced for magnitude. It turned into the saddest scene. My nigga Q is too real. Y'all could have cut the savagery. Now I got Trav. And sadly, he doesn't have a team. I'm fucking y'all. You had to be there, nigga. You had to be there. I saw it. I saw that shit. Y'all not sweet, but y'all not got some explaining to do, baby. I said, my nigga Q is too real. Y'all could have cut the savagery, now I got Trav. And sadly, he doesn't have a team. I fuck with y'all. But for putting out that travesty, I ought to grab a thing and put around in travesty. But I ain't stopped to think. Stop. Let's go. I ain't stopped to think. It's the riot. So even though they squashed the beef, they'll put it out. Lucky it ain't show Billy get Rodney Kings, but I helped him up. I helped him up. Like a real brother, dude. But I helped him up. like a real brother do when y'all left the trash in the footage. That's a real sucker move. Now it's so fucking news. Now it's so fucking news. They like, this can't be happening. He's supposed to take a life break and raise a family. I'll take his and his folks' life and change it rapidly. They'll put their baby in a box after the KC Anthony. Yo.
Okay.
Let's go.
That was nice.
Come for me if you want. All I did is state facts. I barely watched my Nico battle, and a nigga hate that. It can pop off any moment. I'll be glad it ain't crack. And they said you comfortable here. I just had to change that. P&R, nigga. Oh!
Make some noise for that battle.